Be Rising every day. Today we are talking about 7 fruits that may reduce your risk of certain cancers. A cancer cell is a type of abnormal cell that grows and divides uncontrollably. So here are 7 fruits that may reduce your risk. The first fruit we're starting off with are berries. Now, berries are rich in antioxidants, and they have been studied for their potential role in reducing the growth of cancer cells or helping to prevent cancer. There are high levels of anthocyanins in berries and the compounds responsible for their rich color. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are linked to DNA damage and cancer development. Some studies suggest that berries can inhibit cancer cell growth and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer cells. Tomatoes are often discussed in the context of cancer prevention and health promotion, primarily because of their high content of lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancers. Lycopene is a carotenoid, the compound that gives tomatoes their red color. It is a potent antioxidant that has been studied extensively for its role in reducing cancer risk. Lycopene has been shown to help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are 2 factors that contribute to cancer development. It can neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and lead to cancerous mutations. Next, we have one of my favorites, grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, which is a compound found in the skin of grapes, especially red and purple varieties. It is one of the most studied compounds for its potential anti-cancer properties. Resveratrol is also anti-inflammatory, high antioxidant, and has anti-cancer properties. It may help slow the growth of cancer cells, prevent the spread, metastasis of certain tumors, and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death in certain cancer cells. Next, we have cucumbers. And in my garden, I ended up having lots of cucumbers, and they contain a variety of antioxidants, flavonoids, and tannins, which help reduce oxidative stress. Also, fiber. Fiber aids in digestive health and can help reduce the risk of colon cancer by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps remove toxins and carcinogens from the digestive tract. Next, we have one of my favorites, citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. And they are well known for their refreshing taste, but also high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Next, we have apples. Apples are rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin. Quercetin has been shown to possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Apples are also a good source of dietary fiber and contain pectin. Pectin supports digestive health and regular bowel movements, which is essential for preventing colon cancer. It also helps in binding to and removing toxins and carcinogens from the digestive tract. Papayas are rich in carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, lycopene, and they also contain a proteolytic enzyme called papain, which is found in papaya. It helps break down proteins and may contribute to improved digestion and immune function. Papain has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which are important for reducing the risk of cancer. Last but not least, we have avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, fiber, and they also contain anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of cancers linked to chronic inflammation. Additionally, they also have oleic acid, which is the primary monosaturated fat found in avocados and makes up a large portion of the fruit's fat. There are multiple studies that show a high intake of fruits and vegetables may reduce the risk of cancer. Suggestive protections against several forms of cancer, mainly digestive tract cancers, were found for high consumption of apples and tomatoes. High intakes of fibers, flavonoids, were inversely related to various forms of cancer. In conclusion, data from our series of case control studies suggest a favorable role of high intakes of fruit and vegetables in the risk of many common cancers, particularly of the digestive tract. I hope this video helps you out, and as always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh fruits, be getting in some sunshine, some fresh air, and do what you love. When you do that, we'll all be rising.